If you want to update your Mailchimp profile picture quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your profile picture in Mailchimp step by step, so you can make your account look more professional and keep your branding consistent. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how your account appears when you're working inside Mailchimp. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. To begin, open Mailchimp in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the Mailchimp dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile area is located. Click on your profile icon or profile name to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings page. Here, you'll see the information linked to your account, including your profile photo if one is already set. To change it, look for the Upload Photo option. Click on Upload Photo, and your device's file browser will open. Now browse through your files and choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. It's a good idea to use a clear professional photo or a logo that matches your brand. After selecting the image, click Open. Mailchimp will upload the file and update your profile picture automatically. Once the upload is complete, your new photo should appear in your profile settings. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to make sure it has loaded properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Mailchimp. This is a great quick fix if you've rebranded, updated your business image, or just want your account to look cleaner and more polished. If you found this useful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.